Apollo.io is a robust platform that can be used for email marketing by helping you find leads, enrich their data, and automate your outreach. Here's how to use Apollo.io for email marketing. Sign up and set up your account. Start by creating an account on Apollo.io. Once logged in, set up your profile and connect it to your CRM and email service provider to sync your contact data. Find and enrich leads. Use Apollo.io's extensive lead database and advanced filters to search for prospects based on factors like industry, job title, company size, and location. Enrich your leads with additional details like verified emails, phone numbers, and social profiles to ensure you have accurate contact information. Create segmented email lists. Segment your leads based on characteristics such as engagement level, industry, or location. This allows you to send highly targeted email campaigns, increasing relevance and response rates. Build email campaigns. Apollo.io lets you create automated email sequences for outreach. Craft personalized email templates, including dynamic fields like name or company, to make emails more engaging. Automated follow-ups. Set up follow-up sequences to send automated emails after initial outreach. Apollo.io helps you track opens, clicks, and responses so you can adjust your approach accordingly. Analyze campaign performance. Track key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to refine your email campaigns and improve results.